Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to use the editor in Roblox Studio. Here there are three tabs: Create, Region and Edit. Go to the region and click on Select. Here you can select a part which you want to fill. Use these blue circles to select the size. Then click on Fill. Here you will get some materials to apply. Click on any one of them and click on Fill. The area gets filled with that material. The Move button can be used to move the terrain. Resize to can be rotated. The Generate button in the Create tab is similar. But you can use biomes. By clicking on the check marks. If you want caves, then click on Generate. Then it will generate the terrain. Here the terrain has generated underground. We can fix that by increasing the size. This is the terrain that has been generated. You can add a material here using the Edit tab. You can subtract. You can smooth material on it. The sea level allows you to add water. Then after selecting, click on Create.